question is to write a program to create a list and swap the adjacent elements present in the list. In this question, you have to interchange the adjacent elements present in the list. Now see, we are having a list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now we have to swap the values. That means the resultant list should be like this: 20, 10, 40, 30 and 50, 60. That means we have to swap the adjacent values. So first we will be taking the value of I as 0. Then we are swapping A of 0 and A of 1. A of 1 means A of 0 plus 1. Then we have swapped the adjacent values. Then the list will be like this: 20, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I want, after swapping 0 and 1, no need of swapping 1 and 2. We just want to swap 2. That means the next value of I will be 2. So we have to write 0 plus 2, that is I plus 2, I equal to I plus 2. Instead of writing I equal to I plus 1, you have to write I plus 2. Then again we are swapping 2 and 3. After swapping 2 and 3, we will be getting the value 40 and 30. So that is also swapped. Now after swapping 2, we have to swap 4 and 5. So we will be writing I equal to 4. Then we will be swapping 4 and 5. Then we will be getting 50 and 60. Now our list has been swapped, that is 20, 10, 40, 30 and 50, 60. So in this way we will be swapping. So while we are writing the loop, we will be starting from the index value 0, I equal to 0. Then while we are writing the condition, while I less than A, we will be writing always. So I less than A means 0 should be less than 5. But here we have to, here the number of elements is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 should be less than 6. But see here, up to where we have taken the value for I up to 4. So instead of 6, we have to do the iteration from 0 to 4. So we can write like this. Actually, I less than A means it will be I less than 6. So the loop will be working from 0 to 5. Now here we have to work up to only 4. So we can write like this: while I less than length of A minus 1. That is, the loop will work from 0 to 4, right? So it will be swapping correctly. Okay. Suppose we are writing I less than length of A, it will show the error. So you have to write I less than length of A minus 1 in swapping. So while we are writing the code, you have to write like this: I equal to 0, while I less than length of A minus 1. Then after writing the statement for swapping, you have to write I plus equal to 2. Because after 0, while we are taking the value of I as 0, we are swapping 0 and 1. Then we have to take the next value as index as 2. Then we are swapping the values of index 2 and 3. Then it is 4. That's why we are writing I equal to I plus 2. Now we can write the code. So this is the code for creating the list. Then we can print the list like this: list before swapping. We can write like this. Then you can write A. Now after that we can swap the elements of the list. We can write I equal to 0, while I less than length of A minus 1. Okay. Then we have to write the statements to swap: A of I, comma, A of I plus 1 equal to A of I plus 1, comma, A of I. Now here we have to increment the value of I equal to I plus 2. Now we can write the print statement here: print list after swapping. Then we can write A. So this is the answer.